gross and boring and so plain. I agree with you. That's why you need to transform it into something totally epic with this Dilly white bean quinoa and broccoli salad. It's so flavorful and tangy. You guys are going to love it. You guys, this Dilly white bean and broccoli quinoa salad is so good. It's crunchy, it's textural, it's sweet, tangy, it's full of protein, it's so filling, it's nourishing, it feels like summer. I'm literally obsessed with this salad. It's so flavorful. It's great for meal prep, awesome for school or work lunches, keeps in the fridge for days and days. I can't wait for you guys to try this for yourselves. This recipe requires just a handful of really accessible and inexpensive ingredients that you probably already have. So start by grabbing yourself a pretty large bowl to add all of your prepared ingredients into. Then we're going to finely dice 2 stalks of celery. I like to slice them in half and then in half again until they're cut into nice small pieces. And we're going to do the same thing with 2 green onions. And then grab yourself a pretty large handful of fresh dill. And we're going to just roll it up into a little ball here. And this makes chopping it a lot easier and less messy and takes less time this way. And then we're going to take 1 medium-sized crown of broccoli and we're going to cut it up into smaller little florets like you see here. So grab that large bowl and we're going to take some cooked quinoa. Now I like to use refrigerated day-old quinoa because I find it's dried out a bit, it's not quite as moist, and it absorbs more of your liquid seasonings, which we're going to add later. Then add all of your chopped ingredients, including that broccoli. And next we're going to add in the good stuff. So this is our really nice flavorful stuff like relish, Dijon mustard, and some vegan mayo. This is going to add a nice creamy, tangy, and sweet flavor profile. And then we're going to add some lemon pepper. Now if you don't have lemon pepper, that's totally fine. You can just add some salt and pepper, probably about a half a teaspoon of each, and then stir this together until it's well combined and you have a delicious, nourishing, satisfying meal. I'm a huge fan of the texture of the salad. It's got creamy from the white beans, crunchy, chewy, it's sweet, tangy, it's fresh, it's so good, it's very satisfying, and you can eat a pretty large bowl without feeling like absolutely stuffed. This is also a pretty low-calorie meal if you are trying to lower your calorie density or simply just incorporate more whole plant foods into your diet. Enjoy, guys! If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you're gonna try out this recipe, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't know what you're waiting for. There's lots of good stuff on this channel. If you're vegan, gluten-free, whole food, plant-based, you guys, this channel's for you. Thanks again for watching. Love you guys very much, and I hopefully will see you in a future or past video. Bye!